So today's quick garden upgrade is this Work Pro 3-pack of galvanized raised garden beds. Each one is 2 feet by 2 feet by 1 foot. So it's a really nice size for herbs, flowers, or a few veggie favorites without taking over your whole yard. What I love most is how simple the assembly is. Jim put these together inside, no power tools, no drama. The pieces line up and you use the wing nuts to tighten everything down, so it feels very doable even if you're not handy. Honestly, the slowest part was peeling off the protective film, but that wasn't even that bad, especially with two of us doing it. Building the bed was a piece of cake. They're also designed with an open bottom, which I really like for drainage and for letting roots grow a little bit deeper. And the rolled edge, well, it's such a nice detail, no sharp, scary corners when you're working around it. We're turning ours into a little spaghetti garden, tomatoes in each bed, plus basil and oregano. We're adding these to our bigger gardens as well, because I love planting things that we actually use. Now, if I could just grow Parmesan cheese, well, that would be awesome, and I would be in business, don't you think? Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.